What if I said that the plastic you touched every day used to be more precious than diamonds? Do you believe it? From a hero saving elephants to the villain polluting the ocean, the collapse of plastics can be called the biggest rollover seen in the materials industry. In the 19th century, billiards was popular among European and American nobles. The balls were highly demanded. It must be absolutely uniform, dense, and stable to ensure accurate rolling and collision. Ivory perfectly met these requirements. Due to the complex manufacturing process, the finished product rate is low. An adult elephant tusk can only make about 5 qualified billiards. To meet the demand, the British billiards industry alone kills tens of thousands of elephants every year. A set of ivory billiards is enough to buy an apartment in a wealthy district of Paris. Huge consumption has caused elephant populations to plummet due to hunting. In 1863, American entrepreneur Michael Phelan is offering a $10,000 reward for ivory replacements. In 1869, printer John Haierter invented celluloid, the first commercially produced plastic. It was made from nitrocellulose and camphor. It was cheap and could be shaped, which successfully made billiard balls. But celluloid has a temper. It's super flammable. The guy who played movies in the early movie theater was a high-risk profession. The real bombshell was in 1907. Dr. Beckland simmered phenol and formaldehyde in a pot to produce phenolic resin. Since then, telephones, radios, circuit boards all have steel and iron bones. During World War II, oil and chemical plants started operations. The plastic family was completely liberated. Polyethylene wraps radar cables, helping the Allies win air battles. Nylon stockings made girls queue up to buy. PVC made your water pipes no longer rust. Polystyrene was used to make takeout boxes and coffee cups. Polyethylene directly became plastic bags. It's so cheap that it's free. Humans went crazy. Throwing away after use has become a new trend. Who remembers what a vegetable basket looks like? But nature has started to keep a record. In 1972, scientists have found many pieces of plastic in the stomachs of albatross chicks. Then, the Pacific garbage patch was larger than France. Microplastics get into fish belly and sea salt, and finally back to your table. Its durability is its hardest curse to disappear. 300 million tons of plastic waste per year can be recycled less than a tenth. In desperation, humans began to save themselves frantically, turning cornstarch into compostable PLA plastic bags. 8 mineral water bottles are equal to a t-shirt made of recycled fiber. Scientists have cultivated enzymes that eat plastic. In the future, it may digest garbage. Over 60 countries have banned single-use plastics. Even the United Nations has negotiated a global convention. We have created seemingly perfect materials, but we forgot to leave room for the world. But the turning point is in the 5 seconds you choose a cloth bag, the moment you bring your own cup to buy coffee, the 1 minute you spend sorting garbage. Every little resistance rewrites the ending of the story. Plastic never makes mistakes, but humans need to grow.